Princess Monica, born in a land guarded by the royal mystical fox family, living in the great tree. Monica was a curious fox that loved to explore. Mooney does live with her mother, but she can be a little bit disobedient at times. She loves to go outside, and she's a curious fox. As Mooney goes on exploring, she stumbles upon a little house. An alchemist tiger girl was living in the house. Mooney quickly puts on her hood and checks out, as she's very curious to find what's inside.
Hey! You there! What are you doing?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to sneak up on you.
Sure. I bet you're one of those thieves after my rare Wait a catnip. Hold on. Are you the princess? You have 9 tails! I see. I won't tell a soul. You're safe with me.
Over the years, Mooney becomes friends with the tiger girl, and one night she comes back home. But then she spots a meteor falling down, crushing through the sky. Out of curiosity, the curious fox rushes in to see what's going on. The mother uses all her power to protect her child. But will it be enough? The meteor lands and brings down a powerful blow, swiping away trees and crashes down the great tree. As Mooney realizes what's going on, gets enveloped full of rage, out of despair. Mooney, losing all her family, fights to restore what she has lost. As the great tree grows, Mooney watches over the forest, as the forest is weak. Even with all that is lost, there's always a smile that can be obtained.